Okay?
Mama, say already.
Okay. Or do I have a question for you?
No.
What if Mama is pregnant?
I hate you.
Why?
Because I don't love you.
Why?
Because I hate you.
You don't like a baby girl?
Yeah, or I punch you.
Why? Only baby Zion?
Yeah.
Oh.
Or I'll punch you.
You don't want a baby girl?
No.
Oh, you don't want a baby girl.
Because you don't love me.
I love you.
No, you don't love me.
So what if I got a baby girl?
Then I'll punch it, the baby girl.
Oh,
And I'll throw it.
you're sad? You're sad? Mama has a baby girl? Are you sad? Are you sad? Tell Mama. Do you want or you don't want a baby girl? You want Mama to have a baby girl? Huh? No? Oh, may nagkampurot na bata. You're not happy? You're not happy? Mama is pregnant? Ah? Zizi. Zizi. Z. Z. Ay, ay. Oh. Ay. Mama is pregnant, Zizi.